Hello and welcome back to the Go-Kart Racing YouTube page. Right now, I said I was gonna go ahead and start the engine, and that's what I'm gonna do today. Um, should be interesting. I am pretty sure it's gonna start smoking at first, and if it does that, I'm just gonna go with it because I know it's probably the oil burning. But other than that, everything should be fine. If it catches on fire, that's gonna be even more interesting. But yeah, here we go. I'm already like nervous about this.
It wasn't.
Alright, so I got it all started up. Everything works fine. So I'm really happy about that. One thing I have to fix, I'm probably just gonna solder the spring onto. Hold on, I think my computer's hot. Probably gonna have to solder the spring onto the engine so it stays on there, because once I mashed the throttle a little too hard, uh, the spring flew off. So I'm gonna fix that problem, get everything done, over with, and as soon as I get my axle, I can be riding this thing around. So I'll see you next time on the Go Racing.